Hello guys, my name is ATP and today I'm going to share with you a trading strategy based on an improved version of the Bollinger Bands Indicator that I've been working on. Throughout this video, I will showcase the special indicators and settings from this strategy. I will define all the rules for entries, exits and risk management, and after that I will show you all the real and proven results of it after analyzing more than 1000 trades on Bitcoin. So let's get started. So, the Bollinger Bands is a famous volatility indicator that traders often use to identify overbought and oversold conditions, potential trend reversals and price breakout opportunities. There are several ways to use this indicator, but for entry signals, traders usually wait for the price to cross and close above the upper Bollinger Bands line to take a long position, and wait for the price to cross and close below the lower Bollinger Bands line to take a short position. But sometimes this indicator prints a lot of fake losing signals, which is not good since its results become inconsistent. And so, to make this popular indicator a bit more accurate, I updated its calculation method by using the ATR indicator. And now I have a better, stronger and more efficient version of the Bollinger Bands indicator. You can see that now the entry signals are more consistent, and in this way I eliminated a lot of fake signals given by the normal Bollinger Bands. I didn't publish this updated Bollinger Bands indicator on TradingView, but I have shared it for those who would like to use it. You just have to join my free Discord community, the link is in the description, head over to the free materials channel and there you'll find the code of this tool. Open up this note, copy the code and then on the TradingView charts click on the Pine editor, then on Open, New Indicator and then just paste the code and save it. After that, just click on the Add to Chart option and you will have this improved version of the Bollinger Bands working and with the right settings. If you like this free indicator, don't forget to show me your support by subscribing and clicking on the like button. And now all of you should have this special Bollinger Bands indicator on your charts. Now you will need to insert two more indicators that will filter additional fake signals. So let's add to the indicators tab and let's type linear regression slope histogram, and you can pick this one from this fellow trader, and this is going to be our trend filter indicator. Next, let's type trend direction force index, this one, which will be the volume indicator from this strategy. On the linear regression indicator, you will need to change the slope length to 18, and on the volume indicator, we will use the default settings. The linear regression indicator is very simple to use. When its value is above the zero level, it will print these green bars on the histogram, meaning that the overall market trend is bullish. And when its value is below the zero level, it will print these red bars, meaning that the trend is mainly bearish. Regarding the trend direction force index, every time its line is green, it means that more buyers are on the market, and so we can expect a price increase. And the opposite is true if the line is red. And then, if the line is colored with this gray color, it means that the buy and sell pressure are equal, and so the market is trending sideways. And so, when putting all the rules together for a valid long signal from this strategy, firstly the price has to cross and close above the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, and then you take that position if the linear regression indicator bar is above the zero level, and also if the trend direction force index line is green, and the opposite is true for a valid short signal, as you can see in this example. It is as simple as clicking on the like button from this video. For risk management, I will use the ATR bands indicator to place the stop losses. You can pick this one provided by this trader. And on the settings, let's change the multiplier values to 2 and this green color to a red one. For those who don't know, this indicator is based on the average true range indicator, which is the best volatility indicator that you can use to adjust your risk management to different market volatilities. In this way, the stop losses will be inserted on the bands from this indicator. For a long position, the stop loss will be inserted on the lower band, and for a short position, it will be inserted in the upper one. For the take profits, you should use choose a first one on the 1-to-1 risk-reward zone, where you should always close 50% of the position and put your stop loss on the entry point. And then, every time the price goes in the direction of the trade and closes, you should move the stop loss according to the formula 2 times the ATR pip value, just like I am showing you on this trade example. You can make these changes manually by using a trailing stop loss indicator, or in a faster and better way that I will show you in a moment. Then the second position will only be closed if the trailing stop loss is hit. And now you know all the rules of this new strategy. Let's now start the fun part, backtesting. And to do it in the faster and most efficient way possible, I'm going to use a new trading bot that I created. As you can see, it respects all the rules of this strategy, enters and exits from every trade in seconds and with high precision, and it also displays every trade on the chart with the respective stop loss, take profit and even trailing stop loss system. And here on its menu, I can customize every single detail to optimize it. If you'd like to get access to this trading tool, you can check my Patreon, where I have several subscription options that give you amazing tools for a symbolic price. You can also get this premium indicator testing bot through a one-time payment that will give you new indicators to test weekly and for a lifetime, which is an amazing opportunity that will accelerate your trading career. To know more about my premium tools, check out the links in the description. Let's now jump to the analysis of this strategy. Here I have a new trading journal that I will use to study the statistics of this special Bollinger Band system, and these are the conditions I will use. I will perform the backtest on 7 different timeframes from the Bitcoin chart until I have about 200 trades per timeframe. The initial capital will be $1,000 with a 2% risk per trade without compounding the potential profits, and I will insert every trade on this Excel to discover every statistic and ratio about it, and also to see what the equity chart looks like. I will perform this work and I will be right back.
6.5 hours later.
These are the results of these Bollinger Bands from the backtest I've just performed, and you can see that the results look really good and the strategy looks pretty profitable. But let's quickly analyze each time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, the strategy got a win rate of 53% with a net profit of 58%, a profit factor of 1.77, and the equity chart looks like this. Then on the 5 minute time frame, it achieved a 56% win rate with a net profit of 35%, a profit factor of 1.44, and the equity chart looks like this. On the 15 minute time frame, the win rate was also 53% with a profit of 45% and a profit factor of 1.53. The equity chart looks really good as well. For those who would like to use the 30-minute time frame in these conditions, the strategy got a win rate of 48%, a net profit of 42% and a profit factor of 1.46. Despite the lower win rate, the equity curve looks fairly consistent. Then on the 1 hour time frame, we got an amazing win rate of 62%, a profit of 60%, a profit factor of 1.86, and the equity chart looks amazing, the best one so far. Then on the 2 hour and 4 hour time frames, the results were also quite solid. So we can conclude that in these conditions and on the Bitcoin, this strategy looks promising, and it shows that it is highly consistent and efficient. If you'd like to access this trading journal to analyze each trade individually, you can do it also by becoming a member of my Patreon. And of course, I still advise you to backtest this strategy on other conditions and assets to ensure that it is robust enough to be used on the live markets. And to simplify that process, you already know that you can use my trading bot with this special strategy. Check out the description to find more information. Besides that, I can also give you the opportunity to work one-on-one with me, whether to create your personal trading strategy, conduct professional statistical studies and robustness tests for your strategy, or even if you'd like to have a meeting with me so I can help you in your personal needs. All that information is on my website, algotradepro.org. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be well, thank you and bye bye.